go by Lindsay. Call me the Firefly!
This man here is some rich freak named Cobblepot, better known as the Penguin. He recently opened this club called the Iceberg Lounge. I need you to burn it down with him inside.
You really think I'd go down that easily? I'm not gonna be taken out like some average crook.
I give you a simple fucking job to kill this little fat ass? Not only do you fail, but you tell him that I hired you? Get the hell out of my office, and don't you even think about coming back, you brain-dead bag of shit!
My suit! What did you do to it?
I broke the power sources of your suit by slamming you into the walls, and destroyed the final source by slamming you onto the floor.
Fuck you.
Batman and the police are fools to think Black Mask is innocent. They won't do anything about him, and I will. And then my plans for taking over this city finally complete.
Welcome back to Gotham, boss. How was your trip to Japan?
I've had better. But I found what I was looking for.
Who are these two?
Well, I figured that Batman would be on my case the minute I started executing this plan of mine. So I thought I'd hire some help. They call themselves the Kabuki Twins. Alright, ladies. Here's your first job. Kill this man. He calls himself Black Mask. He sent someone to kill me, and now I'm gonna send someone to kill him. While you tend to this, I'm off to the museum to acquire an essential piece to my plan. He's located on the top floor of Sionis Steel Mill. He has guards everywhere, so be silent. Hawkeye? Sparrow?
Yes, boss?
You'll be going with me to the museum. The twins have arrived at the steel mill. Alright, let's get moving.
What are we looking for?
A bird's eye, an ancient gem. It was carved out of a rare and radioactive material. A material that could suit my plan well. My robots will grab it and put it in this lead case. That way we won't be affected by the radiation.
Alright then. Let's do this.
Williams, check the roof!
Copy that. 3 suspects. Found them.
Keep your nose out of my business, piggy!
I'm hit!
Well, boys, I have to go now. Good luck getting my gem.
You're not coming with us?
If I'm gonna succeed with my plan, then I need to remain anonymous. See you at the lounge! Don't move!
So who sent you?
if your boss is paying you, I can pay you double. So I suggest you back off.
Ow! Fuck! Everyone in my office! I'm under attack! Aim for their heads!
Boss, are you alright?
I'm fine. Get the cops over here. They were female, I think. Wore all red, both had kabuki masks, and these giant metal claws on their hands.
Is this who you saw?
Yes.
Alright then. We'll see what we can do. Wow. Some new freaks are in town. Talk to that bat guy or something.
I looked over the sketch Gordon gave me, and I think I know who attacked Black Mask.
Who?
The Kabuki Twins. Identities unknown. They were notorious assassins in Japan. 578 known kills. They've never been caught. So what are they doing here in Gotham? Somebody must have gone to Japan and hired them. Somebody located in Gotham.
Do we know anyone who would want to attack Black Mask?
The only person we know that has a grudge against Black Mask is Linz. But he's in Arkham.
We should check the streets to see if anyone has heard anything.
Sir, I believe this may be of interest. What is it? A heist at the museum. It says here that the bird's eye was stolen. We better check this out.
Perfect. This gem will act as the power source for my invention.
What does it do?
It's a satellite that is able to control anything I wish. This gem will power it, giving it a large radius. I will use it to power and control my penguins, and then Gotham will be mine to rule. Ah, you're back. Did you succeed? Why am I not surprised? Oh, well. All we need now is the satellite dish that's being delivered to the docks in 2 hours.
Sounds good, boss.
Hey, wait. Where the hell is Sparrow?
Oh, he got captured by security.
Ah! Well, we better prepare ourselves. Because sooner or later, Batman will know what I'm planning.
Who are you?
I ain't telling you shit.
Answer me, or I'll start taking away teeth.
All right. Name's Sparrow.
Where is the bird's eye?
My partner took off with it. Left me here for the cops.
Who is he?
Calls himself Hawkeye.
Who do you work for?
Nobody.
You're lying.
Says who?
Says one of the guards who said you were talking to someone. Someone who was giving you orders.
So we were. Big deal.
What's his name?
Look, if I tell you his name, then he's gonna kill me. If he kills me, it's blood on your hands.
The only blood that'll be on my hands will be the blood coming out of your nose.
There ain't no blood coming out my...
Who hired you?
All right. It was the penguin.
Cobblepot.
I thought he was clean.
Apparently not. Unless our friend here is lying to us.
I'm not, I swear. He's got the diamond at the Iceberg Lounge. He said he needed it for some project of his. And he sent these 2 girls to kill Black Mask.
These 2?
Yeah, that's them, all right.
Penguin is the one who hired the Kabuki Twins. We better stop them before we go after Penguin.
Hey, Bats. I'm getting a report of those Kabuki girls spotted at the docks. You might want to check it out. Ah, there it is. A satellite dish powerful enough to reach all of Gotham. Load it onto the sub with that crane. So Gotham will be mine. And Black Mask will be no more. I need you two to stay put. Batman is gonna be here any minute, and I need you to take care of him.
Looks like Penguin was after this shipment. These guards have been dismembered. Only the Kabuki Twins can be this precise.
What was he here for?
Let me tap into the camera over there. It appears he stole a satellite dish. One with enough range to control anything in Gotham. That explains why he has the bird's eye. It's made of a radioactive material that lets off a massive amount of energy. Enough to power this satellite.
What is he trying to control?
There's only one thing I can think of. His robotic penguins. He might try to use them to take control of Gotham. They're expendable and armed. We have to get to the lounge and destroy that satellite. Penguin was expecting us.
What do we do?
Take them down.
I can't fight anymore.
You're right. We're outmatched. Get to the Batmobile.
We're never gonna stop Penguin if we don't get rid of those two.
I managed to find a shard of metal in my suit from one of their claws. I'll have the Batcomputer analyze it and synthesize an acid that can corrode the metal. While that's synthesizing, we should go to the Iceberg Lounges ourselves. Ask Cobblepot for a tour. Maybe we can find out where the satellite is.
Sounds like a plan. Mr. Wayne! I'm Oswald Cobblepot, owner of this establishment. What brings you here this fine evening?
Oh, you know, just wanted to check the place out. I noticed the construction over there.
Oh yeah, some freak named Firefly tried to burn the place down. Then him and Batman tore it up while fighting.
Well, here.
What's this?
Something to help cover the cost.
I'm starting to like you, Wayne. Is there anything I can do for you?
I'd like to see a tour of the lounge. The decor is interesting.
Right this way.
What happened here?
Same guy, except I'm the one who fought him here.
Interesting.
Over here is my office. It's also my bedroom. I live here.
Interesting. Out of curiosity, what's in here?
Ah, it's nothing, just some remodeling.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, let me show you my office. As you can see, I have many things I've collected over the years. My favorite are these antique umbrellas.
Oh, this one has buttons on it.
Oh, that's my trick umbrella. Sometimes I entertain my guests with various tricks involving my loyal companions.
And who would they be?
These specially designed robot penguins. They work great. They're pretty fragile. But I've been able to fix them up pretty well.
This is some impressive design.
Anything for the guests.
I now know the location of the satellite. In this secret room, we can enter through the windows near his office and destroy the satellite.
What about the twins?
The Batcomputer has finished synthesizing the corrosive material for their claws. They won't be completely defenseless without them, but we'll have the upper hand.
Well, let's hope this works.
It has to, or else Gotham is doomed.
What?
It's over, Penguin. We know what you're planning to do with this satellite.
And we know you hired the Kabuki Twins to kill Black Mask. Did you really think I wouldn't be prepared for your arrival? Retreat the satellite! See you later, Batman!
No time to go after him. We need to stop these two first. Deploy the acid. Robin, no!
There was no stopping these two. They can't be redeemed. They don't deserve the luxury of being in prison.
It isn't our decision to make!
If we kill them, then we become just like them.
No, we don't. Because unlike them, we have standards. I'm willing to accept your morals. But I believe some criminals deserve to be killed. People like these twins, or Firefly, or Victor Zsasz. People who have no morals. People who just want to see others suffer. They don't deserve to be locked up. They deserve to suffer the same fate their victims do. Think of how many people were slaughtered by Zsasz. Think of how many people were slowly burned to death because of Firefly. Think of the people who were dismembered by these twins. Would they want them to get a slap on the wrist? No. They would want them to be stabbed, burnt alive, and cut into pieces. Just like when I threw Tony Zuko off that roof. Like how he made my parents fall off the wires. Tell me you haven't wanted to kill the man who murdered your parents.
I have. I think about it every day.
Then you understand why I killed her.
You're right. I'm not one to tell you what path to take in your life. But just remember, killing people can lead to you enjoying it and becoming those people you killed in the first place.
That will never happen. I promise. I'm here to make sure nobody has to go through what we went through. Whether or not that means I have blood on my hands in the end.
We better get back to the Batcave. Find out where Penguin took off to. We can't let him activate his satellite.